welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, then like it, subscribe it and share it. Today I'm going to show you some of my rings which I have made, and from that I'm going to show you a new one also, how to make it. So let's start. The first I made ring is this jiggly wing. First you have to just make a spring, and then the down part you know how to make. You don't know, then just see. Really jiggly with stringy spring. It is really tight now. It is for my little sister. This is my second ring. Outside it is pink and inside it is blue, multicolor. Like that, if you like multi, and automatically make this one ring. This is really okay types of ring. Square one. This is my latest ring, and this I forgot already. So today I was going to show you how to make rings. So for that ring you need a square, a machine of making glue, and then a fevicol or any glue you can use. You need 2 strips, any one small and any of one large. The large one has to be broad and the small one has to be thin. So first we take the large one and we keep it in the machine. We attach in the machine a larger one, and then we keep our hand off, and then we just start it. Okay, it is ready in a second. Okay, so now we will let it move off a bit. We'll open the glue there and glue it off like this. Just press it over. Yeah. So what happened? It just got open. So that's why I always tell never do hurry up and use more of the glue. The other up to me, guys, but it's no problem. Okay, it just get ready in a second, so I have no worry to use it again. Use as much glue as you can. Don't forget to make it loose. Then just press it. Press. Just keep the glue open. Take the small yellow strip, insert it into the quiller machine. This one, it makes it look 3D. Okay, I think I was just going the wrong side. Like this. Straight into the way. Then you have to turn it into 2 opposite sides like this. Press it tightly. Take the glue. Open the side. Glue here. Glue there. Glue here. Glue there. And if you always do gluing and use much glue you can. But don't waste also. Yeah, let's make it look equal like this. After you do that, just close the glue so it just get dry. Now can you see this has got after glue a little bit plainy, so we'll just squeeze it off. So the glue just spread off easily. so nothing will happen. So now it is shape perfect, jiggly wiggly. Now this is ready, so now we are going to just keep your shapes like that. 2 finger here, 2 finger there. To make it, and 1 pressure up, 2 pressure down like this. 1 pressure up, 2 sides pressure. You can see this just, otherwise you can just do like this. If you have 4 fingers, it is just a triangle shape. So now we will just hope that it is the perfect size for us. Just open it, glue it up there. And then just put a bit glue on the jointing. Take the triangle, joint it off there. Press, 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 press. Keep pressing the ring. Yeah. I think it is done. So now can you see the ring is thoroughly ready. Now we can wear it and it is perfectly boom. This was my today's rings video. If you like my rings, now please like, subscribe and share it. You can just use the same trick to make this both. I've just make it same, but here I've just make it a little wiggly and you're clean. This is my uniquest ring ever. So guys, this was my video. Like it, share it, subscribe it. Bye guys.